IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
What was the last book you read?
Band 5. Answer.
The last book I read was a mystery novel. It was about a detective solving a crime in a small town. I liked it because the story was interesting and the ending was surprising.
Why is this a Band 5?
Fluency and coherence. The answer is understandable, but quite basic and short. Lexical resource. Vocabulary is simple. For example, interesting, surprising. Grammar, mostly simple sentence structures with little variety. Pronunciation, likely clear enough, but not very expressive. Typical of a Band 5. Limited vocabulary, short answers, and mostly simple grammar.
Band 7.5. Answer.
The last book I read was a psychological thriller. It followed a detective trying to uncover the truth behind a series of mysterious disappearances in a small town. I enjoyed it mainly because the plot had a lot of unexpected twists, so it kept me curious until the very end.
Why is this a Band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence. Ideas are well connected and the response flows naturally. Lexical resource. Good vocabulary, such as psychological thriller, mysterious disappearances, and unexpected twists. Grammar. A mix of simple and complex sentence structures. Pronunciation, likely natural and clear with good intonation, typical of a Band 7.5. Clear explanations, varied vocabulary, and generally accurate grammar.
Band 9. Answer.
The last book I read was a historical novel set in medieval Europe. It followed the lives of several characters whose stories gradually intertwined during a time of political turmoil. What I particularly enjoyed was the depth of the characters and the way the author built suspense without relying on obvious plot twists.
Why is this a Band 9?
Fluency and coherence. Smooth, natural delivery with fully developed ideas. Lexical resource. Precise vocabulary, such as intertwined, political turmoil, and built suspense. Grammar. Wide range of complex and accurate grammatical structures. Pronunciation, natural rhythm, stress, and intonation. Typical of a Band 9. Sophisticated vocabulary, highly flexible grammar, and effortless fluency.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.